Currently, we are open for Romanian able seamen to join on board with our RoRo vessels, Italian flag, and more than 20,000 gross ton. Yeah, this is for Romanian able seamen with 2/5 COC for able seamen, and the salary will be 3,200 euro per month net, and social security will paid by our owner with under Italian law, because this vessel is Italian flag. And then you need to have a basic Italian language also. If you didn't have it, you can learn it fast, because we will provide you our booklet to learn. This booklet is containing all information if you have a problem in these vessels, and this is need to report to using Italian language, so you can see at this booklet all this information. Yeah, you can send your application to our email, or put it directly to our link database. Please like, subscribe, and share this video to your friend in Romania.